Hello guys, કેમ છો મજામાં? I hope you are doing good and welcome back to my channel. So as you can read by the title, today's video is going to be all about pink food challenge and I'm super duper excited about it. So let's just start. And also I'm just all pink because obviously, and my makeup looks so good is what I feel. Let's start without any further ado. So the first food product that I'm going to try is Mogu Mogu. I've never had Mogu Mogu, like मैंने कभी नहीं पिया, like honestly. This is into flavor lychee. So let's start. This is how it looks quite interesting. It has a very nice baby pink color, as you can see, and also has some like something inside it, like small components. I don't know what that is, but let's drink it. It actually tastes like lychee. Of course, ये तो करना ही था, मुझे गिराना तो था ही. So I'm back after all of that. And this actually tastes like lychee. और ये ज़्यादा sweet भी नहीं है. मैंने expect किया था कि ये बहुत sweet होगा तो मुझे पसंद नहीं आएगा, but it is actually good. Like it also has lychee, like what do we say, lychee के pieces भी है अंदर. I really like the color, by the way. It is so cute. Can you see that? I kinda really like this. Sorry. So yeah, I would rate this 3 on 5. Do let me know, have you ever given this a try or not? Let's move on to the second one. The next one is strawberry Fanta. I have not really had strawberry Fanta. Like I'm also hearing this for the first time. And ये red है. I don't know why. But now क्योंकि मैंने मंगा लिया, I'm going to try this out obviously. और मैं ये रिस्क नहीं ले सकती कि मैं यहाँ पे खोलूँ, because I cannot afford that कि ये फिर से बेड पे गिर जाए. So I'll be right back. I am back guys, and I think ये सच में पिंक कलर का है. Just let me drink it first. Yes guys, it's actually pink in color. Like that's crazy. ये वो सर्दी की दवाई नहीं आती थी, बिल्कुल वैसी टेस्ट कर रही है. नथिंग एट ऑल लाइक स्ट्रॉबेरी, लाइक ऑनेस्टली. I literally feel like I'm having that dawai. But I used to really like that dawai, so I think I will like this. But I rate this 2 on 5. Do let me know, have you ever give this a try or not? Because मैंने तो ये पहली बार सुना and try किया, so I was really excited about it. And this is actually pink in color is like really shocking to me because it has strawberry flavor and it's pink in color. So yeah, पिक्चर में तो ये पिंक दिख रहा था, that is why I ordered it, but actually drink pink है. So I really like that. And ये इतना sweet भी नहीं है, which is also really good. But the taste is, as I told you, is not good. So do let me know, will you ever give this a try on? So the next one is this waffle chips from Biscuit Bites. It is in the flavor dark choco splash and sea salt. The flavor seems quite interesting though. और इसका सिर्फ पैकेजिंग पिंक है guys. Then don't come to me like this is not like pink thing, because इस कैफे वाली दो पिंकी थी, but this only has a pink packaging. So let's unbox it. This is how it looks. Really excited, honestly. It smells good. I can taste the dark chocolate thing, but nothing as such. Really sorry. Sea salt. It only has a dark chocolate flavor, not sea salt. But yeah, it's good. I'm really sorry about this. मैंने जब ज़्यादा खाया तो मुझे पता चला कि इसमें sea salt का flavor है, and it tastes really good, like perfectly sweet, like not overly sweet. So yeah, I really like this and I will rate this 4 on 5. Do let me know, have you given this a try or not, क्योंकि मैं तो ये सब चीज़ें पहली बार ही ट्राई कर रही हूँ, like Mogu Mogu and Fanta like in a strawberry flavor, and this also. So yeah, this all is really new to me. Do let me know if you have given it a try or not, and if you really like it, do let me know. So the next one is Super You. I actually saved the best one for the last, is what I'm assuming that it's the best, but yeah, we'll get to know after I taste it. So this is Super You. आपको जैसे पता ही होगा, I guess. I'm assuming again. Really sorry. So it is a protein wafer, 10 grams of protein it has, and it has no added sugar, which is true. I checked it in the label. It has no added sugar, and obviously it is in the strawberry cream flavor because pink, obviously. Let's unbox it. मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत अच्छी बातें सुनी, and that's why I was really excited to try this out also. मिल्की बार मिल्की बार जैसा लग रहा है कुछ तो, आई गेस. दिस खांसी. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. इट्स एक्चुअली मेल्टेड, पर मैंने तो फ्रिज में रखा था. आई डोंट नो व्हाई इट्स मेल्टेड, लाइक इट केम मेल्टेड, बट ओके, लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट. I'm not kidding. This outer layer tastes exactly like that Milky Bar. Oh my god. It was my favorite, honestly. But this is actually not that sweet. Like, sugar is very less, is what I must say. But I can't really taste strawberry. It's only like this outer layer and wafer is something that I can taste, like nothing like strawberry. But I really like this outer layer because, as I told you, I like Milky Bar so much. And also the sweet is like perfect, like not at all overly sweet. So I really like this, and this has to be a solid 4 out of 5. Do let me know अगर आपने इसमें कोई भी flavor try किया हो, क्योंकि I have tried it for the first time. So, and also let me know which flavor do you like the most. जैसे धीरे धीरे आई एम हैविंग इट मोर, आई कैन टेस्ट दैट वियर्ड प्रोटीन स्मेल, which is like okay. But if you really want to have something really healthy but not overly sweet, this is a nice choice for you, I guess. So yeah, I really like this. You can give this a try. These are all the products that I got from the market for this challenge, but I'm also going to cook 2 dishes, so really excited about this. Like how it will turn out to be, I don't know, but yeah, let's go. I'm going to cook pink sauce pasta. So water अभी boil हो चुका है. So now we'll add a pinch of salt. Like, don't follow my recipe guys, because I don't know कैसा turn out होगा, but I am hopeful कि अच्छा ही turn out होगा. Then a bit of oil. I'm using olive oil. अगर अच्छा turn out हुआ तो आप use कर सकते हो. And then I'm adding 3 cups of pasta. You can add it according to your measurements, because I'm literally following my own measurements. Till the time my pasta is getting boiled, I am going to prepare for the sauce and all the things. And now we'll finally start making pasta. तो सबसे पहले obviously oil डालेंगे थोड़ा सा, and then garlics जो मैंने खुद किया है, उसे छीला है खुद. So that feeling is different. और अब ऑयल और गार्लिक को सॉटे होने देंगे for some time. Let's just mix it a bit. गैस बंद था. Oh my god, what am I doing? So I'll just let it saute. Garlic saute हो चुका है, so we'll add this pizza and pasta sauce. And just mix it with the garlic and oil. और उसके बाद ऐड करेंगे this mixed herbs from Kea is what I'm adding. And थोड़ा सा chili flakes भी हम डालेंगे. थोड़ा सा ही, बिकॉज तीखा आई कैन नॉट ईट ऑनेस्टली. विल ऐड टमेटो केचप, अ बिट ऑफ इट, वरना खट्टा हो जाएगा. मोस्टली 1 spoon of malai because we want that pink color. So yeah, I know exact pink sauce नहीं हो पाया, but I'm excited for the taste. Tastes very good honestly, and I really like it. And मैंने खुद ही कुक किया, तो obviously I'm not gonna rate myself only. So आपको देखने में कैसा लग रहा है उसके बेसिस पे you can rate my pink sauce pasta in the comments down below. And I am now just going to dig in. Too good. So the last thing that I'm going to cook is pink hummus. So I've already boiled the chickpeas and just cut the beet ko, and now we'll just add all the ingredients in the mixture and our hummus will be ready. Let's start. So we are supposed to add some ice cubes, beetroot for that color obviously. Now we'll add bit of lemon juice, then garlic and pinch of salt. And we also have to add, I don't know, this weird sesame seed plus olive oil mixture. I don't know why we're adding this, but it's in the recipe, so yeah. Even I don't know. So yeah. And lastly, the chickpeas. And just grind them all. Pink hummus is ready, and I can't believe I made it. It actually looks so pink, like obviously because I added beetroot, but it's so cute, like honestly. Now let's just taste it with our Monaco biscuit. Honestly, I didn't expect it to taste this good because I made hummus for the first time at home, but honestly it tastes really good. I like it. Actually want to give you top 3, but I liked 4 dishes, so here we go. The first one has to be hummus because I didn't expect it to turn out so good and so pink. Like, it is super cute and very delicious honestly. And the second one is pink sauce pasta. I know the color was not like perfectly pink, but I really liked the taste, and I'm not saying this because I made it, because I genuinely liked it. The third one is Super You because it is like so healthy and also perfectly sweet, as I told you. And for someone who wants to be healthy but also have something like this, like कुछ अच्छा भी चाहिए और healthy भी रहना है, so Super You is a good choice for you. So yeah, third one is Super You, and fourth one is the waffle chips because I really like that kick of that sea salt that comes in between all the sugary, like all the sugary taste के बीच में वो जो sea salt का flavor आता है. I really like that. So yeah, this was about my top 4, and do let me know आपको सारे dishes में से और सारे जो products हमने पहले try किए उसमें से कौन सा अच्छा लगा in the comments down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye.